fully furnished 4-bedroom home in the heart of Verdana Homes, only here in Biñan, Laguna. Very accessible to Nuvali Metro Santa Rosa and very accessible to Mamplasan SLEX exit going to Manila. I welcome you to this modern tropical home. Hi, this is me again, Jair Mamakla, your property geek, and I'm very excited to present. If you are looking in the secondary market, this is my most recommended house and lot in the area, because for only 35 million pesos, you will be having this fully furnished 4-bedroom home with 6 toilet and baths, of course, sitting on a 291 lot area with a 350 square meter floor area. So this one, cul-de-sac yung lot niya. So as you can see, pa-curve yung frontage, but it really adds character. And as you can see, mas kita pala yung bahay mo, no? Kapag nasa cul-de-sac ka. Kasi minsan kapag nasa cul-de-sac yung lote mo, ayaw natin kasi makipot yung daan. Pero kung makikita nyo, mas nakikita pa yung character ng house. So, ang laki ng magiging front porch nyo, and at the same time, parang it can accommodate 3 to 5 cars, no, for their car garage. So, itong isang mahabang to, pwede dito 3 sedan, or kahit 3 SUV, kasya siya, no? And then for this one, pwede 2, no? So, bakit kaya 3 to 5 car garage? Kasi depende, no, kung gaano kalaki yung magiging mga sasakyan ninyo. Pero healthy na for a 3 car garage hanggang 4, I think. Kasi ang haba-haba po nitong side na ito. So bago natin pasukin yung bahay, it's a single detached home, kaya naka-wrap around yung garden sa kanya. So the width is about 2 meters. This is the standard, no, when it comes to the restriction when you are building a home. Actually, Verdana Homes is one of the pioneering community developed by Alveo before, no? So, kasabay niya pa, no, yung Nuvali. But for this house, yung nakabili ng lote nito, pinatayuan niya ng bahay, and very brand new, nung March lang po natapos yung house nito. So, for 35 million pesos, I can say, sobrang sulit niya dahil ang taas na ng mga price per square meter ng mga lote dito. Imagine yung mga lots dito ng mga ganito kalaki, na ganito kaganda ang community, nasa around 20 million na to 25 million pesos, lote pa lang yon. But for this one, bahay na. Tara, I'm excited to go inside. Actually, for this one, bakit may ganito? Parang kakaiba siya, Jair. This is supposed to be a pool, pero dahil sa restriction ng house dito or pagpapatayo ng bahay, bawal pala sa harap yung pool. So, ginawa na lang na open space dito. Maybe you can put up a mini playground if you have kids, or kahit you just stay the same lang na ganito. Pagandahin nyo pa, and you know, ang sarap lang na mag-coffee here. Ang ganda kasi hindi talaga masikip yung feeling dito sa bahay na to kasi ang laki talaga nitong frontage ng bahay nyo. So, pasok na tayo sa house. It's already a smart door, no? So, ganito na yung knob niya. And as we enter this modern tropical home, we will be welcomed by this spacious, high-ceiling living area. Very minimalist. I like the touches and I like the colors, no, na ginamit dito sa house na to kasi ang gaan ng pakiramdam. Hindi masyadong maraming colors yung ginamit, yung combinations. Ang linis niya lang tignan, and at the same time, nakaka-add ng character itong sofa na to. So what you see here, lahat nandito na, lilipat na lang kayo. This is a fully furnished 35 million house. And then at the same time, you have this chairs also here. Ayan, yung chairs, para makita nyo, no? And then ito, pwede rin to dito sa side ng sofa nyo kasi parang ano rin to eh. Pwedeng upuan din, no? And buksan ko lang to, yung curtain, para makita nyo na technically, full glass siya. And now-open siya. Ayan. And it really saves electricity kasi very inviting to natural lighting and at the same time, ang ganda, no? Mag-green. So, hindi mo na need lumabas kasi even if you just sit, no? On your living area and then grab your coffee and then tignan mo lang, no? Yung greenery sa labas. So, ang ganda niya. So, isara ulit natin. Kasi ang cozy din eh. Ang cozy din tignan kapag nakasara yung curtain. And yeah, this is the living area of this home. So, let's go on this part of the house where the dining area, so this is a 6-seater dining area. And katulad nung nandun sa living area, ang ganda rin ng technically, kitang-kita yung front porch dito sa area. And it's a sliding door. So, may access ka talaga dito sa area na to. At actually, ito yung parang gusto kong bahay kasi super homey niya. At the same time, nakaka-elevate talaga kapag masalamin yung bahay mo. And look at the material, no, na ginamit dito sa area. And dito naman sa kitchen, actually, baka magtaka kayo, Jaire, merong ilaw dito sa ibabaw. Pero ano yung iniilawan niya? So, dineliver or ide-deliver pa lang yung kitchen island. So, yeah, may kitchen island po to. Bagong-bago pa lang. So, technically, 99.9% finish. But yung iba for delivery, no? Yung ibang mga furnitures or fixtures para mabuo yung bahay. So, sulit talaga for a 35 million. And you have your refrigerator na din. And then, your kitchen cabinets. Para lang magkaroon kayo ng idea for the kitchen cabinets and then marami. So you don't need to worry dahil ang dami niyang kitchen cabinets ready na talaga, lilipat ka na lang ng bahay mo. And meron ka na ring lutuan, nandito lang yung dining area mo. So galing tayo dito sa kitchen and dining area. Ito naman, pwede niyong gawing maid's room, pwede niyong gawing auxiliary kitchen. Kasi yung pinaka maid's room talaga, may door po to pinapa-refurbish lang yung door, kaya wala siyang door ngayon, doorway pa lang. Masyadong maliit kasi for a maid's room to. Pero meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. So, here is the toilet and bath. So, it's up to you kung gusto niyo itong gawing maid's room, auxiliary kitchen, or pantry. So, bahala na kayo. And then, may access siya going here sa mahabang car garage. Na, dito, actually, this is designed to be your laundry area, kaya may faucet siya. But you can make it as your driver's area or driver's room or anything, storage. Balik tayo sa loob ng bahay. And yeah, we already visited the living, dining, kitchen area, the auxiliary kitchen, or pwede nyo gawing maid's room. And meron tayong bedroom sa baba. So, we can convert this or stay as it is as the bedroom for senior citizen or kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng bedroom dito sa baba. Actually, very spacious siya. Ang liwanag din niya. And of course, you have your own toilet and bath for this first bedroom na nandito sa ground floor. If you don't want naman na magkaroon ng bedroom dito sa baba, it's also very spacious para gawin yung kids playground, no? Or kids area sa bahay if meron kayong children. Parang yung sa indoor, no? May nakita kasi ako na inspiration na para siyang indoor na parang playground, no? Na may mga slides, so pwede niyong gawin. Or office, pwede rin. And it comes with a cabinet na and a split type air condition. And of course, for your guests, and then para sa common bathroom dito sa baba. So, it's not just a powder room. So, kompleto siya. Meron na rin siyang toilet and bath. Let's go upstairs. Ang ganda lang niya kasi kapag nasa hagdan ka, kita mo na lahat. Ang aliwalas niya, in a way na dahil high ceiling ka nga, kung kahit nasang part ka ng hagdan, pag dito ka, kita mo na yung living area. Pero kapag bumaba ka ng konti dito, makikita mo na agad yung dining area mo and a glimpse of your kitchen area. And then pag akyat mo, hindi rin siya yung feeling mo na parang masikip. Kasi di ba may mga ganung hallway sa second floor dahil nabablock siya, no, ng parang wall, super enclosed niya, ang sikip niya tuloy kahit na magkaparehas lang naman ng width yung mga nakikita kong mga houses before. Pero dahil ito, naka-high ceiling siya and open na open yung layout niya, no, nakitang-kita mo yung baba, talagang nawawala yung pagkamasikip kapag mas open talaga, mas konti yung partition, yung feeling mo mas spacious. So that's true. Kaya kapag magkaka-house ako, parang pwede palang gayahin to bahay na to. And pagkaakit mo ng hagdan, itong una yung magiging bedroom. So, hindi pa ito yung master's bedroom. Doorway pa lang ulit, refurbish lang ulit yung pintuan, no, for this bedroom. So, katulad ng first bedroom natin sa baba, ganito din yung material na ginamit, tiles, yung cabinet. I think, almost the same yung area, no, ng first bedroom sa baba at saka nung first bedroom na makikita natin on our right pag akyat natin. And of course, meron din siyang sariling toilet and bath sa loob. So nakaka-total of 2 bedrooms na tayo. Punta na tayo sa katabi niyang bedroom, pero stay lang muna ako dito. Ang ganda talaga na ang daming window, very inviting for natural lighting, and ang nakikita ko sa bahay na to as we tour this house, very straight to the point siya. Very minimalist na. Ito na yung living, ito na yung kitchen, ito na yung dining. At ito lang naman talaga yung mga kailangan ko, no? Kapag tumitira ako sa isang bahay, ito yung mga bedroom. Hindi siya yung parang ang daming kung ano-anong parte ng bahay. Well, hindi ko naman sinasabi na pangit siya, no? Of course, it will really depend, no? Dun sa magpapatayo ng bahay, tsaka sa titira. What I'm saying is, kung ito yung hinahanap nyo na very straight to the point, very minimalist, then this home is for you. Kasi very functional siya. Lahat ng kailangan nyo nandito. And then, for the third bedroom, smaller siya dun sa unang bedroom na pinuntahan natin dito sa taas, and yet still spacious. And then, same lang din, same na merong split type aircon, and then meron na ring cabinet, and then at the same time, own toilet and bath. And then let's go to the master's bedroom. So as you enter the master's bedroom, on my right is our cabinet na. Ayan siya. So I want to highlight this cabinet kasi umiilaw siya kapag binubuksan. So kahit madilim, kapag meron kang kukunin dito, and then of course your wife or your husband or your partner sleeping, you don't need to open na, no, yung bahay kung meron ka yung ilaw, no, ng master's bedroom mo kasi nga maliwanag na siya. So kung may hahanapin ka man dito, iilaw na siya. Ang ganda ng cabinet na to. And again, very straight to the point. Pagpasok mo, nandito na yung master's bedroom. I think this is a queen size bed. And then yung mga side table niya, ang gusto ko dito, it's a wireless charger. Para matutulog ka, hindi mo na kailangang, asa na yung charger ko? Icha-charge ko para mag-fully charge. Ipapatong mo lang yung cellphone. Diyan, pwedeng pahiram ng cellphone natin para makita nila. So, this one is the first side table. So, magcha-charge siya. Yan, nagcha-charge na siya. And then, of course, hindi pwedeng wala yung kabilang side or si partner ng ganitong wireless charger na table. So, meron din sa kabilang side ng bed. And ito, ang ganda nito kasi pwedeng lagayan ng mga watches, jewelries, and actually, pwede pa nga itong maging parang vanity na area pag pinalitan mo itong painting ng mirror. And of course, nasa master's bedroom natin yung balcony. So, inopen ko lang yung curtain with the use of this remote, and ito na yung balcony natin. Very spacious balcony also, I can say. Very modern, full glass yung naging enclosure niya. And at the same time, kitang-kita mo na yung front ng bahay mo. I think hindi ito magiging parang design lang na terrace na talagang hindi naman ginagamit. Kasi ang laki nga, very functional na ng loob. So, pwede kang mag-add ng table dito. Actually, pwede kayong mag-chat here if you have a guest, no? Or pero ma-access nga lang, no, yung master's bedroom nyo. But your family, your close friends, pwede kayo here sa area na to. Kasi meron nga din ditong outlet. So, ang dami yung pwedeng gawin with this balcony. Balik tayo para makita naman natin yung toilet and bath ng master's bedroom. So, for the toilet and bath of the master's bedroom, meron pa tayong another cabinet as we enter. So, ang dami na talagang cabinets. Bukod dun yung cabinet sa labas. And at the same time, we have our mirror dito. Malaki na yung mirror natin dito sa area na to. And hindi naman siya ganun kalaki sa ibang mga bahay na fini-feature natin. Pero healthy na yung size niya para magkaroon ng his and her na lavatory na merong mirror ulit. And then, meron tayong bathtub. If you just want to relax, may bathtub. And then, nandito yung area ng shower natin. Lahat ito po may glass enclosure. So, if mapapansin nyo, wala kasing glass enclosure yung mga pinakita nating mga bathroom kanina. But don't worry, lahat po lalagyan ng glass enclosure. And here's the toilet. And then, yeah, may hair dryer na kasama, no? Parang hotel. So, hindi lahat kasi ng bahay na fully furnished na nakikita ko, may hair dryer ng kasama. And that's it. Actually, nakita na natin yung buong bahay. Ang laki niya, but dahil na-utilize yung parts ng house na talagang yun yung need more than once, hindi siya madaling ikutin. Very straight to the point lang siya. So, yeah, again, this is a 35 million peso house and lot located in Verdana Homes here in Biñan, Laguna. Developer is Alveo. This is one of the pioneering communities in the area. Mas malapit siya sa SLEX Mamplasan exit, sa Brent International School, SMCT Santa Rosa, SLEX going north papunta sa Manila, Makati, BGC, Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Mas malapit po siya dun sa Metro Santa Rosa area where New Valley is located. And then, dahil nga nakagitna siya, paglabas mo ng gate, dire-diretso ka lang, no? Papunta na ulit ito ng Greenfield City, New Valley, and papuntang Southmont Silang, Patagaytay. So, ang ganda ng location ng community, and as you can see, dahil nga mapuno siya, mag-green siya, and modern Asian yung mga design ng mga bahay. So, ang ganda, very uniform din and very well maintained kahit matagal na tong subdivision na to. So, if you want to know more about this 4-bedroom home here in the area, here in Verdana Homes, again, 4-bedroom, 6 toilet and baths, no? And fully furnished na siya. You can just contact me through my personal mobile number, WhatsApp or Viber account. That's +63927 185 1590. Again, personal mobile number, WhatsApp, Viber, or iMessage. That's +63927 185 1590. You can also contact me through my email address, that is jairemamaklay@gmail.com or thepropertygeekph@gmail.com. We are still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section, and I hope sa mga nanonood ngayon, sana kayo yung makabili ng bahay na to dahil it's worth the price. It's really worth the price for a 291 lot area with a 350 square meter floor area. So till our next video, this is me again, Jair Mamaklay, always inviting you to come home to the beautiful island of our very own, the Philippines.